welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really exciting because I'm gonna unbox my new phone, which I'm really excited for. Alright. Okay, I did mention this in a vlog, but that vlog is not up yet. So my home button is broken, like it does sometimes, but it doesn't work anymore, and it's really annoying. Like my alarm doesn't go off, and it's just annoying. So I decided to get a new phone. I had the iPhone 6S before, and I really like it. I didn't really know which phone to get, so I was doubting between an iPhone 8 and the iPhone X or iPhone 10, whatever you want to call it. And then for some reason I felt like the iPhone 8 was really small, even though it's just as big as this one. But I don't know, I just really like the iPhone X. So yeah, I'm super excited. Okay, alright, I'm just gonna open it. It was really funny because it was supposed to come this morning between 10 AM and 12 AM, but there wouldn't be anyone home. So I wrote this note and I put it on the door, like, if there isn't anyone home, please deliver it to the neighbors, or call this number with my granddad, his number on it, so my granddad could like come here and pick it up. The mailman was here. And then I said, or bring it to the post office please, so I can pick it up there. Because I just really wanted it today. If there's no one home, they will take it back and bring it again tomorrow. But I didn't want to wait another day. But then my granddad was like, I'll just go to your house and wait there for it to arrive. So I was like, okay, that's good too. But then they changed the time from 10 to 12 AM to 2 to 4 PM. And I just got home. It's 4:45 right now. I just got home and they delivered it like 5 minutes before I came home, which was kind of annoying, but I am such an idiot. Like how? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so... Oh my god. This is so cool. Oh my god. Look how cool this is. I'm so excited for this. Now I just need to put everything from this phone to this phone. Look at the difference. It's just a little bit bigger. And obviously the screen is bigger. I'm not really sure how everything works, but this is so weird. Oh my god. God. The camera quality. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna try and put everything on this phone right now. I chose the silver one because I wanted this to be white, but it's not white anymore with the new iPhones. But I didn't really care about that. I just wanted this to be white because I like that. Hi guys, I just thought I'd give you a little update on like how it's been going. So there was supposed to come a case and like a screen protector with the phone, but they didn't really get the message, I guess, because I didn't get it, but they're gonna send it to me soon. So, but I went to a store and I got this case because I didn't want to have it without a case. So now everything from this phone is on this phone, and it's really funny because it's literally like the same apps and everything. But yeah, I'm really happy with it, and now everything's on here. Not all my photos are on here yet, but it's still processing and putting all the photos on here. That's taking a long time. I really like it. I really have to get used to, obviously, that there's no home button, that you have to like, and then Face ID, and also that your like control thing is here. Like that's really weird because it's usually here, but now, oh god, but now it's here. Oh no, here. That's kind of weird, but the camera quality is really good, and I don't know, I really like it, and I really like the size. I really have to get used to it because it's still kind of big, because it's bigger than this one, but I really like it, and I'm really happy with it. So yeah, let's get back to me a few hours ago. Thank you guys so much for watching this really short video. I just really wanted to show you my new phone. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel down below, and comment down below if you want a what's on my iPhone. Bye!